Hello guys, today new topic, nonlinear equations in two variables and the systems. First of all, what is a linear equation? A linear equation is an algebraic equation where each term has an exponent of 1, and when this equation is graphed, it always results in a straight line. This is the reason why it is named as a linear equation.
The linear equations formula y equal mx plus b. For example, plot a graph for a linear equation in two variables. Example, x minus 2y equal 2. Let's upload the linear equation graph using following steps. And to find y, and to find y, it will be minus 2y will be on the same place, and x will be placed on the right steps or the right side, and minus 2y equal 2 minus x. To find y equal 2 minus x divide minus 2. Y equal minus 1 plus x divide 2. Find y equal x divide 2 minus 1. Next step, we can find y by giving values to the x. We will draw a table and give some numbers to x. X and x, y. And if to give x 0, y minus 1, and x to give x 2 and y 0, and give x 4, y 1, and give x minus 2, y minus 2. Next step, we draw coordinate. X, y. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It will be x 0, it will be y minus 1. And x 2, y 0. It will be x 4, y 1. And x will be minus 2, and y minus 2. It's a straight line on the graph.
If you choose positive numbers, then accordingly our chart will be at the top. If we choose negative numbers, our chart will be at the bottom, more precisely on the negative axis. It must be surrounded by good things. We must first learn to accept good things. Then we will thrive in the same way as the graph to the top.
Example 2. 5x minus 95 equal 75. Find 2x. 5x equal 75 plus 95. 5x equal 117, and x equal 117 divide 5, x equal 34. Answer x 34.
Secondly, what is a non-linear equation? An equation in which the maximum degree of a term is 2 or more than 2 is called called a non-linear equation.
Non-linear equation formulas ax square plus by square equal c. It's a, and b and c constant, and x and y is variables. And the non-linear equations is, for example, example 1. 7x square equal 8 minus 10x, and it will be find x, and 7x square puts 8 minus 10x to the left side, and will be equal to the 0, plus 10x equal 0, and 7x square plus 2x minus 8 equal 0, and here will be factorization, and 7x square plus 14x minus 4x minus 8 equal 0, and 7x takes a common factor, out of brackets, and x plus 2 minus 4x plus 2 equal 0, and x plus 2 x plus 2 and 7x minus 4 equal 0, x equal minus 2, 7x equal 4, x equal 4 divide 7. Next example, 3x square minus 5x minus x plus 2 equals 0, and this 3x square minus which will be factorization, and minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 equal 0, and take the common factor out of brackets, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 and minus 2x minus 1 equal 0, and 3x minus 2 x minus 1 equal 0, and 3x equal 2, x equal 2 divide 3, and x equal 1. It's the answer. And the difference of linear equation and the non-linear equation. Firstly, linear equation has only one degree, and this linear equations form a straight line on the graph, and the formula of linear equation y equal mx plus c. It's a linear equation. Linear equation. And the non-linear equation has a maximum degree of 2 or more than 2. And secondly forms a learn on the graph, and the non-linear equations forms ax square plus bx square equal c. It's a non-linear equation. Next example. Which of the following graphs represents non-linear function? Solution is, we know that in non-linear functions graph is not a line, and the non-linear equations forms graph surf on the graph, and this is A will be non-linear equation. Non-linear functions, and B it will be non-linear functions, and C non-linear functions. D linear equations, linear functions, because linear functions form straight line on the graph, because linear equations straight line of the graph. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.